Let's be real for a second. Finding a mechanical keyboard that actually feels great to type on, without draining your wallet, is harder than it should be. That's exactly where the Epomaker Galaxy 100 Lite steps in. In this video, we're taking a closer look at its design, features, and overall typing experience to see if it truly delivers a premium feel at a more budget-friendly price. We'll break down what it gets right, what stands out, and whether it deserves a spot on your desk. Let's jump in. Starting with the design and build, the Galaxy 100 Lite uses a compact 100-key layout, also known as a 96% form factor. You still get nearly all the functionality of a full-size keyboard, including a dedicated number pad, but in a footprint that takes up noticeably less desk space. The chassis is made from CNC machined aluminum alloy and comes in clean white or black and grey color options, both paired with gradient-style keycaps that add a bit of personality. Overall, the build feels sturdy and well put together, with none of that hollow or flimsy feeling you sometimes get at this price point. One standout design feature is the rotary knob in the top right corner. It's clickable and works great for volume control or media functions, adding a layer of convenience that you'll probably end up using more than you expect. Now let's talk about how it actually feels to type. The Galaxy 100 Lite uses a gasket-mounted design, which is something you usually see on more expensive custom keyboards. In real-world use, this results in a softer, slightly cushioned typing experience that's easier on your fingers during long sessions. The PCB is also hot-swappable, so you can change out switches without any soldering. That's a big win if you like to experiment or plan to upgrade later. The fixed 7-degree typing angle also feels natural and comfortable for extended use. Switch options are another strong point here. The keyboard comes with factory-lubed linear switches, including the Wisteria Linear V2 with a 45-gram actuation force and the lighter marble white option at 42 grams. Both feel smooth and consistent, making them a solid choice for typing and casual gaming alike. In terms of sound, the Galaxy 100 Lite is impressively well-tuned straight out of the box. The gasket mount, pre-lube switches, and PBT double-shot keycaps work together to produce a deep, controlled sound profile. Keystrokes come across as muted and satisfying, without noticeable pinging or rattly stabilizers. It's the kind of sound that feels refined rather than loud, which is ideal for shared spaces or late-night sessions. Here's a sound test so you can hear what it's like in everyday use. When it comes to connectivity, the Galaxy 100 Lite is extremely flexible. It supports tri-mode connectivity, so you can switch between wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless depending on how you're using it. A physical switch on the back makes changing modes quick and simple, and wireless performance is solid enough that you're not constantly worrying about charging. Epomaker also includes a nice set of accessories in the box, which is a thoughtful touch for users who like to fine-tune their setup. On the software side, this keyboard really shines. The Galaxy 100 Lite supports QMK and VIA, giving you deep customization options through open-source firmware. You can remap keys, create complex macros, and adjust the layout to fit your exact workflow. This level of control is usually reserved for higher-end keyboards, and it makes the Galaxy 100 Lite adaptable for both casual users and enthusiasts who want total control over their typing experience. So, what's the final verdict on the Epomaker Galaxy 100 Lite? Simply put, it offers more than you'd expect at this price. The typing feel is comfortable, the feature set is thoughtfully designed, and the customization options are excellent. It may not be perfect for everyone, but it's an easy keyboard to enjoy and live with. If you're looking for a well-rounded mechanical keyboard that feels good to use and delivers strong value, the Galaxy 100 Lite is absolutely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, drop a like, subscribe for more content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.